Hello, today we will guide you through how to give permission to attendees to record the meeting in Zoom. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you are signed into the correct account and that the app is fully loaded before moving on. This is important because host controls and recording permissions are only available once you are inside the Zoom desktop app and managing a meeting as the host. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample meeting. You can use any meeting where you are the host, since these recording permissions are controlled by the host during the session. If you are practicing, using a test meeting is a good idea, so you can get familiar with the controls before doing this in a live meeting with attendees. After the meeting is started, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the meeting window and click on Host Tools. This section gives you access to several meeting management options. If you do not immediately see it, make sure your meeting controls are visible by moving your mouse over the Zoom window. Next, click on Participants. This will open the Participants panel, where you can manage the people currently in the meeting. The Participants area is where Zoom allows you to adjust permissions for attendees, including whether they are allowed to record the meeting. From here, turn on the setting related to recording permissions for participants. This is the option that allows attendees to record the meeting when needed. Depending on your Zoom version, the wording may vary slightly, but you will want to enable the recording-related permission for participants. Take a moment to confirm the setting is active so the appropriate attendees can use the record function during the meeting. As a helpful tip, only grant recording permission when it is necessary, since recordings may contain private or sensitive meeting content. It is also a good idea to let attendees know they have been given permission to record, so everyone in the meeting is aware. If your organization has recording policies, be sure those are followed before enabling this option. And that's it. Once the recording permission is turned on, your attendees will be able to record the meeting according to the access you have granted. This is a simple but useful host control that can make collaboration easier when participants need their own copy of the session for notes, training, or review.